Good morning everyone. Myself K. Prashant Naik from Civil Department, third year. Topic: Unit Hydrograph Construction Application and Limitation. Unit Hydrograph Construction and Limitation. Introduction to Unit Hydrograph. The unit hydrograph is hydrological tools used to estimate direct runoff resulting from a unit depth of rainfall. It represents the response of a wasted to a specific rainfall event, typical 1 inch or 1 centimeter. Understanding its construction and application is essential for effective water resource management for and floods fitting. Concept of unit hydrograph. The unit hydrograph depicts how a water's response over time to a unit of excess rainfall. It assumes linearity, meaning response to different rainfall events can be superposition. This concept simplifies the analysis of runoff from complex rainfall patterns by breaking them into manageable components. Construction of unit hydrograph. Data collection. Data collection involves recording runoff hydrographs from controlled or historical rainfall events. Accurate measurement of rainfall and runoff area critical from constructing a renewable unit hydrograph. The wasted should be well defined and the rainfall event should be uniform across the area. Design storm unit hydrograph, individual hydrographs, final runoff hydrograph times. The graphs is the runoff and design storm. Construction of unit hydrograph. Step 1. Selecting rainfall event. Choose a rainfall event with a canon and uniform distribution over the wasted. Ensure the event has a clear start and end time with measurable runoff response. The rainfall depth should be standardized, commonly 1 inch or 1 centimeter to generate the unit hydrograph. The graph is the time HS, final runoff hydrological, individual hydrological, unit hydrograph, design storm. Construction of unit hydrograph. Step 2. Dividing the hydrograph. Recording the direct runoff hydrograph resulting from the selected rainfall event. Convert this hydrograph to a unit hydrograph by dividing the runoff volume by the rainfall depth. The resulting hydrograph represents the water response to a unit of rainfall and is used for prediction rainfall. Unit hydrograph is dividing. Applications of unit hydrograph. It is used for floods fitting by the estimating runoff from future rainfall events. Hydrological. Intelligence is for deciding stormwater drainage system and reservoir. It helps is urban planning and water resource management by predicting peak flow and hydrograph timing. Limitation and limitations of unit hydrograph. Linearity assumption. Assumption the water's response is a linear which may not hold during very large or small rainfall event. Non-linear factors like soil construction and land use change can affect runoff response. This can lead to increases in hydrograph predict under creative condition. Limitation time inverse and homogeneity. Assumption the water's response remains consistent over time. Ongoing change due to land use or climate variations in unattended to maintenance construction can alternative runoff response from those used in construction. This factor limit the applicable of the unit hydrograph from long term or dynamic analysis. Limitation data and scale. Construction and occurrence unit hydrograph require dilated and reliable data which may not be available. It is most effective for small to medium sized water. Large waters may require complex models. The scales and resolution for data can impact the prediction and useful of the hydrograph. Conclusion: the unit hydrograph is a available tools for hydrological analysis, adding to floods prediction and water resource planning. Its construction involves careful data collection and standardized rainfall event to ensure reliability. Deposit limitation when applied is the its mining in fundamental concept in hydrograph and water management. Thank you.